is aggravating to deal with. Take your time, nice and easy. Go towards him. Oh, he's coming at us real fast.
How is this a catfish?
No, I had a catfish on the little rod. He's gonna run again. Be ready for that, okay?
What is this?
Oh, that's
Stingray?
I don't know. Here, we're gonna go over the moat. Here, let me see it real quick. Just lay it up there for you. Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know. I didn't see it. Here, let me see it real quick. He's around the edge. Let me see it real quick. Let me see it. Let go real fast. Still get down. Shark, I think. Bigger shark.
Yeah, it's a shark.
Bigger sandbar. Oh, there you go.
That is.
It looks like a lemon shark.
You know that little one you caught earlier?
Yeah.
This will be his older brother. Woo. That's a brown sandbar. Bigger one. Chill out, chill out.
He probably thinks he's gonna die because he thought his other friends died when it got hooked.
He doesn't want to be here.